Alright, next one, go to Rainforest Cafe.
You have to cross over Disneyland Drive to reach this part of downtown Disney, but it's well worth the stroll.
It sure is, because if you're looking for a wild place to shop and eat, you want to be at the Rainforest Cafe.
The Rainforest Cafe is complete with exotic animals and an occasional thunderstorm. And don't miss the show for some bird brain fun.
The Uva Bar is a colorful outdoor bar, the perfect setting to relax with appetizers and drinks.